A herd of elephants entered the premises of the Captain Williamson Sangma State University in West Gar Hills on the night of August 26, 2025. Visuals of the incident have since gone viral on social media. A senior education department official reacting to the development stressed the immediate need to establish dedicated elephant corridors. He pointed out that boundary walls and other infrastructure projects must always ensure safe passage for elephants to prevent human-animal conflict. The incident once again draws attention to the escalating clashes between humans and elephants in Meghalaya, largely triggered by shrinking forest cover and expanding human settlements, which continue to push wild herds into inhabited areas.